Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the double dip powder. I did end up trying out two colors for you guys. So if you guys want to know my thoughts and if this dip powder is worth it, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to show you guys everything that came in my package. You did get this really nice thank you card and then information on how to enter their giveaway on Facebook. I will have the link for that below. And also you received this card that lets you know what to do if you're not satisfied with your purchase. I did receive 3 dip powders. This first one is called 90s Baby, which is a really pretty like watermelon pink color. Almost can pass for red. And I also received this really nice orange called Atomic Orange. These are 2-ounce jars of dip powder, so you do receive a lot of product. And this green is called Goo Getter, which is really pretty. I cannot wait to use this color as well. You also get the dip powder base, the dip powder activator, and also the dip powder top coat. And it's also really nice because this also comes with a brush cleaner as well. And then you also get this little packet that comes with a really nice brush. This does say it's a complexion brush, but it works really good with the dip powder. You also get some cuticle pushers, and then you get some replacement brush heads, 5 of them, which is amazing. Of course, you get a buffing block and a nail file. I also received this really cute holographic bag, which is a really nice touch because I was able to store majority of the items that I received, which is perfect because Lord knows I am running out of storage for all of my nail supplies. So I really enjoyed this bag, and it's also multi-use because I'll be able to use it for my makeup as well. So I'm going to start by using the color Atomic Orange, and I'm just going in with the dip powder base. So I am going to be doing about 4 coats of this, mainly because my nails are so long and I want them to be nice and strong. And as you guys can see, even with the first dip, how pigmented and just so pretty. This color is just bomb, perfect for the summertime. As you guys can see, I'm not applying the dip powder at the cuticle. I'm just going to slowly work my way back because I am applying 4 coats. I don't want my cuticles to be all thick and just a mess, so I'm going to just slowly work my way back towards the cuticles. If you guys check the description box down below, I do have information on how you can save 25% off on your order, and I also have links to their Facebook page where you guys can enter their weekly giveaways as well. Can we also just take a second to talk about the size of these jars? Again, these are 2-ounce jars, which I can definitely appreciate because I do like my nails really long, and it's just so convenient to be able to just dip your whole nail in there. You don't have to worry about grabbing extra tools to try to cover the nail. It's just very convenient. I have tried other dip powder kits and they actually come really small for some reason. I'm not sure what that's about, but really happy with the size of these jars. And yeah, you guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and just keep repeating the same steps until I get up to the amount of coats that I need. And now I'm just applying the dip powder activator. This is just going to help to seal everything in and make sure the nails are just nice and hard. And these are what the nails look like. How pretty, you guys. Love this color. Also off camera, I did take the color 90s Baby and apply it to my right hand. And so to spice these nails up, I wanted to add a little something something because I didn't want to leave them basic. So I'm going to go ahead and add these butterflies that I got from Amazon. I'll have those linked down below. I also added some cuticle crystals because for the life of me, I just cannot get dip powder to look good around the cuticles. I'm working on it, you guys. And now I'm just going in with the top coat that came with the kit. I did go ahead and apply 2 coats per the instructions, and this really just set this color off and just made it just pop, and just obsessed, you guys. I'm loving the way these nails turned out. Okay guys, and these are the finished nails. Obsessed. I think they came out so bomb. This color is just amazing. And I also again did the red color on my other hand, which is just also just bomb. I love it, you guys. Definitely recommend. I cannot wait to try other colors. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. And thank you to Double Dip for sending me these products. And yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.